Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to cook this today. This is a fresh tuna. It's very simple way of cooking it. I love this one. Delicious stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got my fresh tuna in the bowl. You've seen that it's been cut into small pieces. We're going to add some salt and some black pepper. Very few ingredients at this stage. I'm going to add this red chili, thinly sliced, and then we're going to be adding some sesame oil. A couple of tablespoons. We're going to give that a mix, and then we can go straight to the cooker. So I've got that pan on there, a dry pan. I've just put it on high heat. I want to get that nice and hot. So we're going to drop the salmon in. Now some people would just put this in for like 5 seconds, some maybe 4 minutes. It depends how you like it. I'm going to go somewhere in the middle, maybe just like 2 minutes for me. And we're just going to just fry it around on this high heat. Very simple. Okay, off goes the heat for me. I'm happy just there, so you can see that just the outer part of the fish has really been cooked. That's going to come out, and we're going to just pop that into a mixing bowl. And then here I've got like a 1/4 cup, small amount of green onion thinly sliced, and about a tablespoon of a light soy. Give that a mix, and that tuna is done and ready. Served with a little bit of sesame seed on the top. Job done. Really delicious. You can eat that with rice. You can stick that on the table as a side. Just super delicious, easy, fresh tuna. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.